promotion is an activity where a type of marketing communication is used to inform the target audience of a particular product or service, for example, that it now has a discounted price. Companies engage in promotions to boost sales and revenue, but also to disrupt customer behavior in their favor. There are several different types of promotions and reasons behind them, such as end-of-season sales, which are common in fashion, life cycle promotions to get rid of dead or perishable stock, but also randomized retail channel promotions. And it is those retail channel promotions that we will focus on in this episode. A promotion does two things. It puts an effect on a price, and it puts forward the product. The effect on the price is not necessarily just lowering the price, but it could be other deals, such as buy two, get one for free. That is technically still a 33% discount, but with conditions. When a company runs the promotions, it must be communicated to the target audience. If not, you get a pure opportunistic effect. Imagine you as a customer have no idea that something is on a discount when you walk to the checkout desk. You're ready to pay the full price, but are now suddenly paying less unexpectedly. Now, that is surely a pleasant surprise to the customer, but from a business perspective, this promotion has no benefit. A business has to market its promotion to ensure the desired uplift in demand for that product or to their store. Promotions also generate a change in market shares. The idea is to permanently disrupt the behavior of the customer, typically for products that are routinely bought. For example, a box of cereal. People tend to be very loyal to their favorite brands without plans to try out others' competing products. The trick behind a promotion is to nudge the customer to try something new, ideally to change their preferences so they will come back to buy the same product, now not on promotion anymore. A promotion is essentially a negotiation between the retail channel and the brand of the product being promoted. Often, it's a joint effort between the two to lower the price for the customer and to have a communication of the promotion, so both the retailer and the brand advertise this new deal. The retailers benefit from having more people drawn to their stores and hopefully become loyal shoppers, whilst the brand are getting an increased market share of their brand, and the retailers gives their product a boost or privilege over the other competing brands in the store. The brand, however, needs to watch out for two consequences of promotions. Number one, if we go back to our example with the cereal, if the promotion is being done on one type of cereal, clients might shift to this type. However, they might shift from a previous cereal coming from the same brand. So you end up simply cannibalizing your own products. Secondly, the retailer can take some of the margin back to their own pocket by not selling the whole stock they bought from the brand at a discounted price on promotion. And therefore, they're not putting this price reduction from the brand forward to the customer. The retail channel would ideally want many promotions at the same time so that they can drive people into their channel. Hopefully, the customers will get hooked and come back. But this incentive is opposite to that of the brand. The brand, of course, wants to be the only brand that is on promotions, to be the shining stars for the customer. In conclusion, retail channel promotions aim to disrupt the customer behavior to their own benefit, and brands seek to increase their market share by promoting their product. Every promotion must be announced to the target audience by marketing. Otherwise, it is nothing but a capped margin for the businesses.